Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're still in this beautiful two-bedroom apartment at 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas. 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas. We've already seen the living room and the kitchen. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So now we're going to go into the bedrooms. So we're going to start with this bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. It's super cute. I love the lighted mirror, and that's a super cute bathroom, and that's for guests. And then we're going to go here and look at the bedroom. The bedroom's super cute too. Now notice that it's got where you can go out on its own private balcony, so that's pretty cool. The flooring here is super nice. It's a really nice flooring. It's really light and feels great. It looks great. And then, hey, we've got this bathroom that's here. This bathroom has not only a huge tub, but it's got a huge shower. It also has a wonderful dual sink counter. So this is gorgeous. It's got also lights on the mirrors. This is a really pretty bathroom. In addition, hey, you've got a huge closet. This is a very large, great closet in here. Lots of space. I mean, I've walked in and it is really massive. I'm gonna just briefly walk into the other bedroom. Wow, I just wanted you to see that. Remember, there's that beautiful kitchen, living room area that's here. And then this has a barn door that closes, and now we're in this bedroom. This is really cute too. It's a little bit different design, but it's super cute. It also has the really big window, and it's got where you can go at least see the balcony. And then it's a really cute bedroom in here, really nice space. You could get a king. This is a queen, it looks like, but you get a king in here. There's your closet in there, and then there's the bathroom in here. So you also have a walk-in shower here too. So the walk-in shower is pretty cute. This is a little different design, by the way. So this is more the guest bedroom, but it has its own private bathroom, whereas the master is over here, and then you can walk through and get to those bathrooms over there. So anyway, a really pretty attractive apartment. Hey, how would you like to see it? A personal tour for you, whether that's virtual or live in person. Quickest way to do that is to send me a text. That's the best way to get a tour all the time. You can reach the 1400 Hiline sometimes, but we work closely with them. You can't always reach them, and they only have office hours. You can reach us 24 hours a day. Send a text right away. We'll get you a tour that day or the next day, and you can start thinking about your new apartment. Send a text. It's a free service. We love helping you find your perfect place. Has no cost to work with us. We always get the best deals, and we're 100% free. So reach out. Look forward to hearing from you.